I was at a party recently. Now, I'm not one that's prone to go to parties. I'm at my happiest when I'm with my laptop in some room, looking at charts, analyzing numbers, stock market, Forex. That's when I'm at my happiest. But I'm married. You got to do things you don't want to do sometimes. It's the way it goes. So I'm at this party and was with my wife's friends, and I'm in this delightful conversation about Kim Kardashian's ass, which literally has me digging my fingernails into my skin in order to induce pain so that it can mask the pain that I was currently feeling. So as I'm almost drawing blood in order to just escape the moment, as fascinating as Kim Kardashian's ass is, this individual came over and said, "Hey, I heard you like stocks." I was like, "Yeah, I like stocks." He's like, "Well, my buddy over here, he likes stocks." Well, immediately, I didn't even give the current conversation the nice transition. Well, I just left. Darted over to the gentleman who likes stocks, and we started up a conversation. And this gentleman was a young doctor, been out of med school, I would guess, 3-4 years. And it's like, "Yeah, I love following stocks. I love following the market." Just had a genuine passion. I was like, "Oh, God, my night is saved. Thank the gods for delivering me from the pain I was experiencing." And so natural questions I started to ask, well, what criteria do you use to pick your stocks? Just hoping to get into a nice conversation. He's like, "Well, I don't invest for myself. My broker handles that. I just love following it." And I was like, "Well, why don't you do it yourself?" And the look he gave me was one of, well, I couldn't possibly do that. It was one of disbelief. Here's a smart young man who's obviously motivated, who has a passion. You can't create that. A lot of times the reason people fail in pursuing trading or investing for themselves is because they just don't enjoy it. And when you don't enjoy something, then it's hard to succeed. You're just going to gravitate to other things in life you do enjoy. That's understandable. But this guy had the passion. He enjoyed it. You could tell he just genuinely loved it. But he had this mindset of, here's a doctor. And he had this mindset that he wasn't smart enough to invest for himself. He handed over his money so someone could basically capture what the market's doing. Because I asked him, "Well, how's his performance?" He's like, "Well, it's about doing what the market is." And I said, "No kidding." I was like, "The market's up 12%, your portfolio's up 11%. I mean, that's the story of a mutual fund. That's the story of handing your money over to someone else. What's the market doing? Well, that's what your performance is. Oh, market doing good? Oh, your broker's a genius. Market's doing bad? Well, that's the way she goes." It's the biggest con in the financial community. The con that you can't do it yourself. I couldn't believe it. Smart individual with the passion, but just was trapped in this mindset that he was limited in choosing the investment instrument, that he was limited in making smart, calculated decisions. And I couldn't convince him. I'm belligerent when I'm sober. You get 3 or 4 drinks in me, oh my goodness, I'm the loudest, most obnoxious person in the room. And I couldn't budge him off this mindset. You can do it yourself. You can invest, trade, outperform what your stupid mutual fund, your stupid broker, the returns, the mediocre returns they provide you. Oh, you can do so much better. You have so many assets. Even if they're good, even if they're smart, the ability you have as a small investor, a retail trader, to move money in and out from one place to another, the instruments you have, selling puts, selling covered calls, sticking with winning stocks. There's so many instruments. I could go on and on, but you can. If you have the passion, if you enjoy investing, if you enjoy following the market, if you enjoy trading, well, you should be very grateful. Never, ever believe that you can't do it yourself. It is a lie perpetuated by the investing community, by the financial markets. They want you to think it's overly complicated when it's not. Don't fall into this trap. Don't fall into this lie. They just want your fees. They want to manage your money so they can get their fees off you, so that they can go to the next party and brag about how much money they're making. Don't do it. And when you're at parties and someone's talking about Kim Kardashian's ass, don't dig your fingernails into your skin. It hurts. It really hurts. Just politely find another conversation to go to. You can do it.